Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video and welcome back to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a colorful look. I have been wanting to do something red because I got this really cute dress from Boohoo. It is a maternity dress and girl, it didn't fit me. It's a little too tight on me, but I'm gonna make it work. So I decided to try something fun, something a little bit more colorful. This is the look that I decided to go with. It's kind of like a colorful eyeliner with a very basic eyelid. I did use the JACLYN Hill X Morphe palette volume 2 for this look. I decided to recreate another graphic eyeliner, like an ombre eyeliner, because you guys seem to really like the last tutorial. If you guys haven't missed it, I will have a playlist here. I actually just created a playlist full of Makeup Monday videos. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this bright and colorful look. You can totally switch up the colors and just do like oranges, you can do pinks and purples only, you can do whatever you want. The world is your oyster. So as always, if you guys are new to my channel, hi, hola, my name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes here on YouTube, and I would love to have you be a part of my family. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button, and if you are subscribed, make sure to turn on your little bell notification so you never miss any of my videos, especially for Makeup Mondays, because we have so much fun just playing with makeup, getting creative, and being bold. With that said, grab your brushes, grab your palettes, get back, sit comfortably, get some comfy sweats, grab some hot Cheetos, grab your drink, whatever it is, and let's get glam together. All right, I have everything set up. Concealer, brushes, palette, mirror. Let's get into it. I'm going to start off by taking my concealer. Yes, I have two missing nails. I'm just waiting for these to like want to come off. They don't want to come off, so I'm going to have to soak my nails in like water or something. But I am going to go in today with my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. This is a concealer. No, it is not an eyeshadow primer, but honestly it works exactly the same. So I like it because it's thick, it's full coverage, and it literally covers any discoloration that you have on your lids. Let's grab our JACLYN Hill palette. You can also use like her original palette, the one that she has with Morphe. Let's keep this red vibe going. I am going to start with Living My Best, which is the red shadow in the palette. I haven't played with this palette in a while, and I haven't played with like the red. So I'm kind of excited to see how it looks, and it's literally the same color as my dress. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pack it on, and I'm just going to like jab it in there. And again, I'm mainly applying most of the product on the tip of the brush because that's where I want the most pigment. And then I'm slowly going to bring it in. Now you guys know what brush I'm going to use. Yep, Morphe M507. And I still can't like memorize the name. Now I am going to take the shade Heart On, which is right next to Living My Best. So this one right here. It does seem a little more orangey and neon. Packing it on the brush, and then we're gonna use this color to help us blend Living My Best. Just right here. This one's definitely a little more, I feel like this one's actually more red than Living My Best. Now I'm gonna go in with a clean brush, and this is the Colourpop E19. It is a little small, a little fluffy. This is going to just help us blend the edges so they're not so like harsh, as you can see. I'm going to go back with my concealer, and I'm going to take a flat little brush like this, and I am going to be pretty generous with my concealer. I'm going to do a cut crease, but I'm actually going to do it like rounded, so almost like if you are doing a full-on cut crease, but I'm going to round it off, if that makes sense. So I am going to look straight into my mirror because I can see where like my eyes naturally droop. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for a sec. I actually gotta go check on my frijoles because I'm making some beans. Gotta make sure I don't burn them. Okay, I'm back. Beans are saved. Once you have the crease nice and cut, we are going to go in with that same brush that we used to lay down the shade Certified, which is the matte vanilla shade. And I'm pretty much going to pick it up again. I did clean off the brush to make sure that I don't have any red on it, and that's what I'm going to use to set the lids with. Now we're going to go in and draw the wing. You guys know I go in with my concealer, so again, dipping into my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. I'm actually going to take my little Inglot brush. This is the Inglot 77, or 31 too. Sorry, the 77 is the eyeliner. This is a very thin, very fine brush, and that's exactly what you want. And you just want to draw a regular schmagular line for your eyeliner. So I am going to start in the outer corners, and then also drawing the inner part. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Not My Journey, and that's going to go into the inner part of the eye. Then I'm going to move on to Dance Party, which is this one right here. And then I'm going to finish it off with No Joke, which is the yellow. So I'm just going to pack it on and let you guys see how I do it, but I'm pretty sure you guys got this. I'm going to go in with a cream eyeliner. This is the Rimmel London Nude eyeliner, and I'm just going to throw this in the waterline. Oh my god, why is this so hard right now? And I'm going to take the shade Hard On and Living My Best. Just taking a mix of both the reds and applying them in the lower lash line. Oh, and P.S. I ended up throwing in a little bit of red on the edges just because that yellow wasn't like blending out for some reason. I'm going to pop these bad boys on. No idea, you guys. I'm so sorry. I know that's so annoying when I don't know the lash names. If I remember, I will let you know. But it's pretty much just some spiky lashes. Like I'm telling you, I have the horrible habit of just ripping off my lashes, throwing them everywhere, and then forgetting the name. So I did a little bit different. I went with a more like reddish tone pink lip combo. So what I did is I took my favorite lip liner brand, which is by the brand Italia, and this is in the shade Toast. It is such a stunning shade. Like I've never used this lip liner before. I don't know why. It's like a brown, but it has pretty red undertones. And then for the center of the lip, I just use the Huda Beauty Interview lipstick, the bullet lipstick, because it is such a gorgeous shade of like pink, and I think it goes really well with like the whole look. So this is it, you guys. What do you guys think of this look? I wish I would have done something like a few things a little bit different, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with the look. It's very different, very bold, very out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look for Makeup Monday, and of course if you guys want to recreate it, don't forget to send me your pictures on my Instagram. I don't use my Snapchat anymore, so you guys probably shouldn't add me there because I just really don't post anymore. So thank you guys for being here. I love you so much. Be safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.